Hello and welcome to Khabula the Tea. And on today's tea, honey, I bring you none other than Umakwela. She is indeed wife number 5, Wamosam Seleko. We have been waiting for her throughout the previous seasons. He has been saying to his wives that we are mdingo number 5 and uzofika uzongena number 5 whether they like it or not. In his famous line he says abahambe abahambayo so isala sincenga useze wafika ke uzohambisa iningi asazi noma bazohamba ngempela noma bazohlala, but we are here for it. Ufikile untombazane, she's quite young, 25 years old. Usamke Kwela, her name, and Owasemzumbe. And rumor has it in the Mzumbe streets that she's allegedly Sne's friend. Ay asazi ngempela ke le ukuthi izophela kanjani. Kodwa ke since they are Mzansi's telenovela, we are here to watch. She is very beautiful. She is chubby. Mawumbukisisa kahle uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle ubaba uMseleko has a type. She's a very gorgeous hun. You could see ukuthi mncane kodwa hayi asazi ukuthi Asazi whether or not she is ready for her role, but if you go on her TikTok page, she has disabled the comments, so I guess she understands what she's getting herself into. But yeah, we are here to watch. This season, I think Usne is gonna be the star of the show, and we wanna know ukuthi kwezowenzakalani ngomangwabe futhi kuzowenzakalani ngomayeni. Now that Umakwela, the 5th wife, has arrived. Thank you for watching Khabula the Tea.